welcome to the channel and welcome to what's on my table on Monday, I guess. I know there's Wednesday, what's on my table Wednesdays and whatnot, but Monday seems to be a good time to show you my Dollar Tree finds or, you know, just finds. So here's what I found at the Dollar Tree. My pop dot tape so that I could make my butterflies. Remember these? That was such a fun project. I am definitely going to be doing way more of those, only just a little bit different. But I thought I would take my least favorite. I like them all. And what I'm going to do is find something to edge them with some of my Dollar Tree finds. So believe it or not, now these are markers and they say fabric markers. But to me, they look like alcohol markers, quick dry, fine and broad tips, but they're the pastel colors. So I thought, let's play with these and see what the difference is. I'm going to swatch them on some plain white cardstock. And it has the names written on them, yay. So I don't know how they're going to work. We're going to find out. I'm going to do them here, and then I thought I would see if I could find a scrap piece of watercolor paper. Perhaps in my stack of stuff over here, and I have. Yay! So we'll use the scratch pad. Okay, so here we have, this is phthalo blue, right on. This is the fine. So let's do something. Let's trim this butterfly. Yeah, they work on the regular cardstock. Look at that. So they do work. That one didn't go all the way down. I like that. That's a good color. So even though it says fabric, I don't think fabric is an absolute. Alright, that's phthalo blue. And I didn't do a fantastic job of that. I'm trying to see the tiny print. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have pale pink. Pale pink is good, so we'll do this butterfly. Oops, well, we're going to do it with the thick side. No worries, right? We'll just do it like that. Yeah, I just think this is basically a marker. And then we have turquoise blue. So for $1.50 you get 5. And I thought that's not a bad price. All right, there we go. There's the turquoise blue. And then we have buttercup yellow. Now that sounds cool. Let's see what we get here. It's kind of a pretty color. Buttercup yellow. I'd say it's almost an orange if you ask me. Get it a little closer for you. And then we got the acrylic markers, and I'll just flip this over and we'll have a look at them. And this is lime green. And this one I'm just going to do this guy. We got some, let me just do a lime green. So there we go. We got the phthalo blue, pale pink, turquoise blue, lime green, butterfly yellow, and then I found acrylic markers, and I don't know exactly what the difference on those will be. We got bullet. It says bullet right here. Come on, focus. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus, but anyhow. And these are called Primark markers, Superior Art Supplies, pastel colors, multi-surface, acrylic paint pens. So I got these because I was thinking we could color brads with them. This is, does not say it just is blue. Will it say on them? Water-based ink, non-toxic, odorless, waterproof after drying. Okay, ink colors are pink, purple, aqua, mint, and light blue. So this is the, I'm going to say this is the light blue. Kind of pretty. This will be the mint. And it says it works on, I think this is going to be the mint. Or maybe that's the light blue. And this is going to be the aqua. That is pretty. Here is our purple. Maybe. That is gorgeous. And then pink. So that's those ones. I think those are pretty good assortment of pastel colors. I like. And then I got these. These are jewelry findings. They have the pins, and then they got those little guys. But then I thought, I wonder how, I don't want to open it up, but I'm going to see how the earrings work with, you've seen everybody use bulb pins, right? I just want to see how the earring guys will work. Just for curiosity, just for, you know, something to occupy my time. So there you go. Tell me what you think of the markers and my Dollar Tree finds. And I will see you guys in our next video on Tuesday. So I'll watch for you then. Have a great rest of your week. And thanks for stopping by. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.